Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a ratchet strap. First, always inspect your strap and hardware for any damage or wear. Next, secure the fixed end of the strap, which has the ratchet mechanism, to a sturdy anchor point. Then, take the loose end of the strap and attach its hook to the item you are securing or to another anchor point. Now, let's thread the strap. Begin by opening the ratchet handle all the way so it lies flat. This action exposes the spindle, which is the rotating bar in the middle. Take the loose end of the strap and feed it up through the bottom slot of the spindle. Pull the strap through until it is snug, removing most of the slack. With the strap threaded, it's time to tighten. Begin pumping the ratchet handle up and down in short, controlled motions. Each pump will pull the strap tighter, securing your load. Continue until the strap is firm and the item is stable, but be careful not to over-tighten, which could cause damage. To release the strap, pull the small release lever on the ratchet mechanism while simultaneously opening the handle completely flat. This will unlock the spindle, allowing you to pull the strap free. Once released, unhook both ends and coil the strap neatly. Proper coiling prevents tangles and extends the life of your strap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.